It was the day before Jilly's birthday, and she was organising her party. Jilly wrote an email and sent it to all her friends, except Jenny and Jane, who she spoke to on the phone. The email told everyone to meet outside her favourite restaurant at 7 p.m. the next day. They read the email and everyone was excited, and they all agreed to meet and celebrate her birthday together. What has just happened? Jilly has written an email and she has sent it to all her friends, except Jenny and Jane, who she has spoken to on the phone. She has told everyone to meet outside her favourite restaurant. They have all read the email and agreed to meet and celebrate her birthday. Thanks for watching, and I hope you learned some irregular verbs today, and see you in the next video. Bye for now.